Heavy rain and thunderstorm is expected in Karachi for next 3 to 4 days. People of Karachi, get ready. According to the details, the most powerful rain system of this year so far, which has been named MAHI, under the influence of which it will start raining in Sindh from tonight. If we talk about the largest city of Pakistan, Karachi, then the effects will start coming in the city from tomorrow afternoon, due to which it may start raining from tomorrow. But Friday and Saturday are very important for Karachi, why heavy rains with thunderstorms and dangerous thunderstorms are expected in Karachi on both these days, due to which severe flood situation is expected. The city of Karachi is expected to receive 170 to 120 millimeters of rain on these 3 days, but the number may increase. Therefore, all our citizens are requested to stay away from electricity poles and appliances during the rains and avoid unnecessary outings. Thank you.